Welcome to the Weather Guru Podcast for August the 14th, 2026 on this Friday edition. Thanks for joining us, ladies and gentlemen. Hit that subscribe and like button so you can be notified when the latest video comes out. Today we're talking about just the severe thunderstorm warnings here and the flash flood warnings that we have in the area, courtesy of Radar Scope. Right now in Florida, the Panhandle, we have one in Okaloosa County, severe thunderstorm warning on just north of I-10 and Crestview, the Funiac Springs area here. And this goes on the next 15 minutes here for hail greater than a half inch and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts reported there. So if you come along I-10 between Crestview and the Funiac Springs there, heading out of the state toward Pensacola, be very careful there. Kansas, McPherson, Reno, and Rice County, same thing. Quarter-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. This is in rural Kansas, north of Hutchinson, Kansas, there, as you can see here. And these showers will continue to propagate in their way. Virginia, Amelia, Chesterfield, and Powhatan counties here, just southwest of the Richmond metro area and the James River. Hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Radar indicated expect damage to trees and power lines. It'll be near Moseley, Virginia, at 7:50 Eastern Daylight Time. Holly Hills, Flat Rock, Clayville, and Janito, some of the areas in the Warren cell here, with southeastern Powhatan counties and north central Amelia counties and northwestern Chesterfield County in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So still got about 15 minutes left on this warning here in Virginia, central Virginia. Now we go down to Florida again, Leon and Wakulla counties, the capital district, Tallahassee, along I-10 once again in the Big Bend. Severe thunderstorm warning until 8:15 Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorm is located over Florida A&M University, moving south at 25 miles an hour. 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This includes Tallahassee, Florida State University, FAMU University, Tallahassee State College, Doak Campbell Stadium, Wakulla, and other areas in the Big Bend region here. So if you're coming along 319 or Capitol Circle there in the Tallahassee region, Highway 319, be very careful there for some of these storms over the campuses. Students take shelter for the next 10 to 15 minutes here. This expires in 26 minutes in the Capital District, and you see these showers are all along I-10, including US 27, 221 from Perry to Greenville up to Madison and I-10, Live Oak, Lake City. These showers are all along the 10 corridor here, as you can see as I zoom out. Not quite into Jacksonville yet. 295 is safe in Jacksonville, and 1095 is safe, but there's some showers right now between the I-10 and 75 Junction and Lake City and Columbia County and Suwannee County as well there. Just be on the lookout for that as well. Now we're going into Arizona, Mojave County. 1-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts in Mojave County. This is just to the east of Kingman, Arizona here along I-40. And this is the storms that are going to be coming through here just south of Vegas here. Some strong storms and near Sparks and Henderson area here as these showers continue to make their way through the Grand Canyon, the Rio Valley, and all these different areas here as well. Oklahoma has a severe thunderstorm warning that expires in 25 minutes for Harper, Woods, and Woodward County. Hail greater than 75 inches and wind 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. The good news with this is that these storms are moving fast, so they're not putting out a lot of rain. That's why we don't have any flood watches with these systems here, as you can see. But as I put it in motion here, they are moving relatively slow. They have some training over the same areas over and over again, and so we have to watch out for that street level flooding there as well. Flash flood warnings continue here in the west, out west in Oregon, Colorado, New Mexico, and Texas here as well. Brewster and Pecos counties here with a flash flood warning again just to the southwest of Fort Stockton there. You can see these showers in the hill country of Texas there and higher elevations there, Fort Stockton and Marfa, Texas there, and those showers will continue to spark these warnings here as throughout the next 30 minutes here as well. Flash flood in Nebraska, Wyoming counties here. This is in Wyoming here. Banner, Kimball, and Laramie counties. Rain inches, 1 to 2 inches of rain. This expires in about 55 minutes here. Flash flooding is caused by thunderstorms here. Some of the locations are Pine Bluffs, Auburn, Bushnell, Hillsdale, Panorama Point. So these areas around this area, you want to take cover. Turn around, don't drown, don't go into any standing water here. If you're in east of the Cheyenne metro area here, and including Cheyenne, Wyoming here, I-25 is going to be a slow go. I-40 is going to be a slow go here. So just take your time here in the Cheyenne metro area. Even Fort Collins in Colorado getting a lot of rain. Fort Morgan, Denver area getting rain. Colorado Springs, Castle Springs, all these areas, Boulder, all these areas are picking up some showers here in the valleys. Now, that's all we have. We don't have much special marine warnings here, just in the Gulf of America here, south of Marco Island here in the Coxcohasky Bay and the Bonita Beach, and then Appalachia Bay. Just some coastal showers that could be coming off here, creating unsafe boating conditions here. Hawaii has a hurricane watch or warning in effect here for the Big Island of Hawaii here. Be very careful if you're heading out there as the tropical storm continues. All parts of Hawaii are under a hurricane warning at this time. Tropical storm warnings remain in effect. Tropical storm watches remain in effect for Hawaii, Tropical storm force wind gusts 30 to 40 mile an hour, 50 mile an hour wind gusts. Tropical storm force winds early Sunday morning into Monday morning here. And they're a couple hours behind us on the mainland here in North America. So just be careful if you're heading out to Hawaii. Tropical storm watch remains in effect for Kilauea, Hania, and Poliki. Tropical storm force winds conditions could be possible starting very soon here for these big islands here, and the wave heights are going to be increasing here along some of these islands here. Honolulu, you're not included in that watch and warning just yet. For Honolulu or Sunset Beach or Waimea, you're not included in that warning, but you can see these showers are coming onto the radar now out of the Hawaii, South Hawaii radar here. There are starting to be some banding features here as these showers continue to make their way. So we have a tropical storm warning for Kauai and Honolulu Island, and then we have a tropical storm warning, a hurricane warning for the Big Island of Hilo and the Big Island interior as well. So hurricane warning for the Big Island, tropical storm warning for the other islands. Be safe, take care, God bless, have a great weekend. I'll talk to you soon. This is the Weather Guru signing off.